So here's my 3D printer, and I just installed here my surveillance camera up there. There we can see it in the corner. That's the Lorex, and Lorex can surveil everything and look at things. Oh, sorry about this. I turned the microphone on by accident. So I can turn the lights on the camera if I need light there. I can take a snapshot. Oh, it's so loud here on my thing. I can record video. Here I can record the video. Whatever it's doing right now, right? With sound and whatnot. I can send a response if somebody is standing here.
Private property. Please do not trespass.
Whatever responses we have, right?
Please wear your face mask.
Okay. And then the printer is just preparing to print right now. There is a print file in there. Yeah, you can talk here to it. We just get the microphone feedback here. You can play the siren. It's loud. Oh, it says it's too loud. You shouldn't do it. You can take a snapshot. Let's turn lights on. And a snapshot. And then later you can download those. Yeah, and then you can watch this thing, how it's going. So you don't have to sit around here the whole time and look at it. And also when I turn all the lights off, you can look at this at night in night vision. Well, that's how that looks like. So you don't have to leave all the lights on. It can print in the dark. And with IR, it's ready to roll, right? That's the best camera position I came up with. The only thing what I can't see is the display. If something happens, I can't read what the display say, what's wrong. After a firmware update on this printer, sometimes I get stuck filament. I don't know why. That has to be investigated, but let's see how this print turns out and how this piece comes out. This print bed here I got. This came out pretty good. That's the surface it creates from that print bed. Alright, it's printing pretty good though. Alright, I hope you liked this video and I see you in the next printing video.